How to claim Discord Nitro without credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in discord.com. Once done, you have to get logged into your specific Discord account and click on this direct message or Discord icon. Here you will see Nitro at the second option. Click onto it. You will see various packages. For today's video, I'm going to go ahead and select the basic Nitro package. Click on to subscribe and choose if you would like to get billed yearly or monthly. Then click on select. Then at this page, if you don't want to continue with your credit card, you can click on PayPal. Here, enter your email address or your phone number and your password, get logged into your PayPal account, and just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.